Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss Entry Wizard that is used to accept single line text strings from a user. We will also discuss how to increase height of text box and how to delete the data entered from the text box. The above shown code will create a window in which we can draw our wizards. First we will create a label in which the text is enter your name in the entry box. Now for label we will define relief style which will create 3D effects around the outside of the wizard. It is important to pack all our wizards in the window. Now we'll pack the label in the window. To create an entry wizard, we have to write the name of the entry wizard is equal to entry within bracket where we want to pack it. In our case, it is root, width of the entry box. If we want to have some default data while opening the form, then we can have it by using insert method. e1.insert 0, enter your name here. Enter your name here will be the pre-filled data when we'll open the form. Now we'll pack the entry wizard e1.pack so that it will be visible in the screen. Now we'll define a method in which whatever data entered by the user will be shown in a label. This click method we will call when a button will be clicked. As you know, we have to pack all our wizards. For that we have to use pack method. We will pack this label also. Now we will create a button in which we will call this clicked method. For that we have to write b1 is equal to button. Inside brackets we have to write root, text is equal to whatever we want to show to the user, it will be inside the button, command is equal to lambda click, and inside click we have to pass the value which is entered by the user and it is in e1.get. As we have discussed in the previous video, lambda is a anonymous functions that is defined without a name. In this form we have a label, we have an entry wizard and we have a button. If button will be clicked, then the second level will be activated and we can see the data entered in the entry box in the label. Now we'll pack the button in the window. Now we'll execute the program to see how it looked like. We have a label and a text box and a button. If we'll write our name in the text box, as you can see it is visible. If we want to show to the user whatever entered in the entry wizard in a nice way, we can do that. We can use simple concatenation operator. Here we have 3 values. First one is hello, then data entered by the user, and how are you. We are simply using string concatenation operator, that is plus sign, and if we'll execute the program, it will show the user hello, name of the user, and how are you. We can see the result. As I have entered Minati, it is showing hello Minati, how are you. We need to clear the entry wizard. For that we have to write e1 dot delete method, and inside bracket we have to write 0, comma, and this delete method is used to delete the data currently within the entry box. It will not delete the wizard. If you want to delete wizard, then you have to use destroy function. We can increase the height of entry wizard, but height attribute is not there for entry wizard. For that we have to increase the font size. Here font is equal to Calibri and 50 will increase the font size. Now we'll execute the program to see. You can see the size of text box, it is big. In this way you can change the height of text box. I will enter the name and we'll see the result. We can also increase the font height of level. We can use the same code and we'll run the program to see how it will look like. If we will write the name and click the button, as you can see, the data inside entry box is cleared and it is visible in the label. This entry wizard is very powerful. We can use this entry wizard to create any application program. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.